constructors. Ever wondered how Java creates and initializes objects? Let's talk about constructors, the backbone of object-oriented programming. Stay tuned. First, the default constructor. It's the constructor Java provides when you don't write one. It initializes objects with default values automatically. For example, imagine creating an animal object. It's ready without you doing extra work. Think of it as Java's helping hand. Next, the parameterized constructor. This one allows you to pass specific values while creating an object. Imagine creating a car and setting its brand as Tesla during creation. Parameterized constructors let you do just that. It's perfect for customizing objects right from the start. And finally, the copy constructor. While Java doesn't provide this by default, you can create one yourself to copy data from one object to another. For example, you could duplicate a book object with all its properties. It's like making a clone with the same values. So there you have it. Default, parameterized, and copy constructors, 3 powerful tools for object initialization in Java. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.